Hi first graders, welcome back to our second week of seasons in science. So the first thing it says the season, which is winter today, and then it says use the bubble map to draw pictures or use words to describe winter. Think about the months, weather, holidays, clothes, and activities that happen in winter. So I will help you with 3 of them, and then I'm going to let you do 3 on your own. So the first one I'd like to do is write the months. So I'm going to write December, there are 3 months of winter every year. January, and February, which we're in right now. So that's the first box I would fill. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to go ahead and copy that. You can pause the video if you'd like to. And then I'm going to color it in. So maybe you want to draw some snowflakes, or just color it in because it's kind of a dark time. There's not as much light in the day. The days are shorter. Okay. So there's my first one. Okay, doesn't have to be super fancy, just what I learned. Okay, now it says months, weather. Maybe you want to draw a snowflake. Maybe you want to draw a holiday like Hanukkah or Christmas. Any of those, Kwanzaa are fun holidays that happen in the wintertime. Maybe Valentines Day, which is coming up, right? So I'm going to draw, I'm just trying to think. I'm going to draw some of the clothes we wear in winter. And when I think of winter, I think of cold. So there's a coat. Okay, and you can draw whatever you'd like. And then I'm going to draw a little scarf. Kind of looks like a snake when it's not bundled up. And then I'm going to draw mittens. They keep my hands warm, right? Kind of looks like a crab, but that's okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and color it. Okay, so you don't have to use words. You can draw pictures for your entire thing, or you can use words, or both. I think they're both good. So then I'm going to draw this and color it in. Okay, maybe I want a yellow scarf because that's my favorite color. You can do whatever you'd like with your pictures. Okay. And then maybe I'll just have white mittens, I don't know. Okay, now one more. I'll do one more and then you get to do these 3 and take a picture and send it to me. So the last one, I'm going to think of Valentine's Day. So I'm going to draw the box. You know how you get a box and decorate it? I'm going to have hearts on my box. And here is, and then I'm going to have lots of hearts. Oops. And I don't have pink. I wish I had pink. And then I'm going to draw, you know, the little Valentines you make for your friends. And maybe candy. So like the little candy hearts. And I'll write Valentine's Day, because that's one of the holidays, right? Maybe you want to draw kids being happy next to their Valentine's Day, because that's super fun, right? Okay, so that's about it. So once again, winter, we have December, January, and February. Those are the months. We wear warm clothes, and we have Valentine's Day. So you're welcome to draw any of the holidays, the clothes, what it's like outside, things you like to do, and go ahead and send me a picture when you're done. Okay, bye everyone.